Welcome to this guided meditation, a sacred moment just for you. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you can be fully present, undisturbed by the outside world. Take a moment to settle into your seat or resting position. Feel the gentle support of the surface beneath you, holding you with care. Gently close your eyes now, allowing the external world to fade away. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Feel the cool, soothing air filling your lungs, bringing calmness and clarity. And now, exhale softly through your mouth. Release all tension with your breath, feeling your shoulders drop and your body soften. Inhale again, deeply and slowly. Notice the rhythm of your breath, steady and serene. Exhale with intention. Let go of anything that no longer serves you in this moment. As you continue to breathe, feel yourself sinking deeper into the present. Imagine roots growing from the soles of your feet, grounding you to the earth, steady and strong. You are safe here. You are calm. This is your time, your sanctuary. Let go of the rush of the day. Allow your mind to quiet, like a gentle stream flowing over smooth stones. Feel the peace within, growing with each breath. When you're ready, we will begin this journey inward. Feel the natural rhythm of your breath, steady and effortless. With each inhale, you draw in peace, vitality, and clarity. And with every exhale, let go of stress, tension, and distraction. Now, gently bring your attention to your body. Notice how it feels in this moment. Feel the weight of your body against the surface that supports you. Sense how each part of you is held, safe and secure. Begin at the top of your head. Imagine a gentle wave of relaxation washing over you, starting at your scalp. It flows down to your forehead, softening the space between your eyebrows. Feel this wave moving to your cheeks and jaw. Notice how your face begins to soften, releasing any tension you may be holding. Let this soothing energy flow down your neck to your shoulders. Feel your shoulders drop, heavy with ease, as if a great weight has been lifted. Now let the calmness travel down your arms, through your elbows, wrists, and to your fingertips. Your arms feel light, relaxed, and at peace. Shift your focus to your chest. Feel it rise and fall gently with your breath. Each inhale fills you with energy and renewal. Each exhale releases what no longer serves you. Allow this wave of relaxation to flow into your stomach. Notice how it softens, how your belly feels light and free. Feel this calm energy spreading to your hips and lower back. Notice how they sink deeper into the surface beneath you, fully supported and at ease. Now let this wave of peace travel down your legs, through your knees, and into your ankles. Finally, let it flow into your feet, all the way to your toes. Your entire body is now enveloped in a warm, soothing glow. You are relaxed. You are calm. You are present. Shift your focus now to your breath. Notice its natural rhythm. With each inhale, imagine drawing in a golden light, warm and radiant. Feel it fill your lungs, your chest, and your entire being. And as you exhale, envision a gentle mist leaving your body, carrying away tension, doubt, and negativity. Breathe in calmness. Breathe out peace. With every breath, this golden light flows deeper into you. It reaches every corner of your body, nourishing each cell with vitality and healing. Feel your body glowing, radiant, and alive. Now visualize yourself in a serene, beautiful place. It could be a tranquil forest, a quiet beach, or a peaceful meadow. Imagine the sights, the sounds, and the smells of this sanctuary. Feel the gentle breeze on your skin, the warmth of the sun, or the soft rustle of leaves around you. This place is yours, a space of safety, calm, and renewal. You can return here anytime you need peace. Take a moment to simply be here. Feel your heart beating steadily, a quiet reminder of your strength and vitality. Notice the stillness around you, a mirror of the stillness within. As we come to the close of this meditation, bring your awareness back to your body. Feel the surface beneath you, steady and grounding. Notice the rhythm of your breath, the peace it brings. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently, bringing life back into your body. Take one final deep breath in, and as you exhale, carry this sense of calm with you. When you're ready, open your eyes. The world is still here, but you are different. You are calm, you are strong, you are renewed. Thank yourself for this moment. This is your gift to yourself, a moment of peace that will echo throughout your day.